Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for another Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, I am giving my porch a quick clean and getting it ready for spring. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Look at Lily and Molly. They are so cute. They are each peeking out of a window. They wanted to be outside with me so bad. They could not stand it. But I just want to remind you guys that today is Tuesday. That means that it is a Tiny Tidy Day. Tiny Tidies are put together by my dear friend Sunday Dawn here on YouTube. Her channel name is The Helpful Home. I will link it along with today's Tiny Tidy playlist in my description box below, where you will find so much tiny tidying motivation. Again, this is just a tiny tidy, so I just did a little tidy of my porch just by cleaning the windows, and I'm just going to sweep it off a little bit. Then I'm going to add some spring decor and get it all nice and ready for spring.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.
Again, this is not a deep clean of my porch. This is just a tiny tidy, so I am just doing a little sweeping just to like clear the cobwebs and that kind of thing, just to make it more presentable.
Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh,
I am adding this tulip wreath that I purchased this year at Kirkland's. I got it on sale, and I think it just adds the perfect pop of spring to the front door.
look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting
Picked up this doormat at Lowe's. It's simple and just says welcome.
ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your
I'm adding these planters that I purchased at Lowe's years ago back onto my porch. I actually have rocks in them to keep them weighted down, so they are a little bit heavier than they look, and I am just adding one to each side of the porch.
adventures. You're all
These simple boxwood topiaries from Amazon, they were fairly inexpensive. However, I do not think that I will be able to keep them there. We are actually getting a security system on our porch, so I think I will have to get something smaller. So these will probably move to the front of the garage.
alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
I picked up these little signs at Hobby Lobby. They are so adorable, and they say "Some bunny loves you," so it just adds a touch of Easter.
Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego.
Added my solar lanterns that I purchased at Marshall's a couple of years ago to each side.
Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes.
For the final touch, I just added these little rabbits that I got from Marshall's a couple of years ago. I put one beside each lantern, and then my spring porch is all ready. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching today's Tiny Tidy. Do not forget to check out the playlist, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you.
Oh, here you go.